As a family-owned business with over 70 years precision engineering experience, R.E. Thompson takes a long-term view by automating, reinvesting, and expanding our capabilities to provide consistently high-quality, complex machined components to a variety of industries. Our customers have long relied on our complete manufacturing solutions as we remain at the forefront of innovation with market-leading machinery and revolutionary technology. Our talented manufacturing engineers collaborate closely with customers to design parts to precise specifications and provide innovative solutions to technically challenging applications. Cost savings and faster lead times are achieved by using world-class CAD/CAM analysis to maximize efficiency. R.E. Thompson's facilities operate 24/7 lights-out automated manufacturing, allowing us to accelerate lead times on both low and high-volume projects without compromising on quality. Our skilled CNC machinists operate multiples of market-leading 5-axis machining centers, offering redundancy and extremely tight tolerances on small and large components to meet customers' increasingly rigorous requirements. Recent investments in gear manufacturing and power skiving machinery have further expanded our capacity, with multi-pallet systems enabling unmanned production of any component. We provide high-quality, fully finished parts to customers by outsourcing post-production processes to our trusted partners. R.E. Thompson has provided in-house component assembly to aerospace standards for over 40 years, offering electromechanical assembly, bonding, and specialist adhesives for high-performance applications in diverse markets. Precision inspection is undertaken with leading metrology and CMM equipment to ensure that finished components pass stringent customer testing procedures through long-term, zero-defect agreements. We are constantly investing in the latest robotics technology and a digitally networked facility to provide automated real-time feedback from our machines. R.E. Thompson has a proven track record as a highly reliable supplier with rapid turnaround capabilities and excellent customer service. Companies greatly benefit from working closely with our technical experts, relying on our extensive experience in providing value-engineered parts and assemblies to tight project deadlines, whilst maintaining the highest quality standards.